Man, y'all know what, y'all? I haven't even been here that long, and these motherfuckers already done got on my goddamn nerves already. Oh, G, can you do this? G, can you move that? G, can you take this out? G, can you do that? God damn, man. Can I get some crushing going on first? Shit. God damn, man. That was gonna be a roll off on me. Well, whoops. See if we can shove this one right up off in there somewhere. Shit, we all gonna make everything fit. God damn it, stop playing with me. There we go, stop playing little city games. So when it doesn't want to go, you know what the next alternative is? Shove it off in there if it doesn't want to go. Y'all guys, man, I got a lot of cars here to crush. A lot of goddamn cars I got. Man. Woo, I'm probably looking at, well, I'm not looking at 18 loads here, but I am looking at a lot of goddamn cars here to crush. A lot, y'all. It don't bother me. It is what it is. See what we got here. Big white van. It's got the front already? It's got the front? Alright guys. Let's see if we can do this away. Got the van lifting up all kind of crazy ways right now. That way. See, right there. So basically what we're doing right now is cutting the front hoses right now. See, the motor just tilted itself. Hey, gotta get that water hoses in the front. See that there? They still working on it, y'all. They still working on it. It's coming. It's coming. Y'all just be patient. It's coming. There she go right there, y'all. The whole top of the van right there. Whole top. Only thing we want is just the motor. That's it. That's all we want. Is just the motor. That's all. Nothing else. Y'all hold up. Yep, there go the motor right there, y'all. Old Vortex, man. Old Vortex. Boy, these Vortex motors, boy, we love these damn things to death. Man, these Vortex now is getting to the point to where now you can put a Vortex almost in anything now. So yeah, let's set this puppy right back on there like ain't nothing happened, y'all. Then let's crush the shit out of it right quick. Like ain't nothing happened, y'all. Again. I can say, y'all, man, I love what I do, man. I love what I do. Went inside the crusher with the loader. Damn. That's it on that one, y'all. I get back at y'all, man.